Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the device is ready. Battery above 20% or connected to power, and you have a quick backup of current power settings. Now open Settings, go to Display or Power, and tap Standby or Sleep. At this point, scan the options visible, timeout, wake sources, thermal limits, and note defaults. This saves time if you need to revert. Once done, choose a short timeout to test changes, then proceed to customize wake triggers step by step. Next, you fine-tune how and when the device wakes. Change timeout values for screen off, light sleep, and deep sleep so behavior matches usage, shorter for frequent checks, longer for battery savings. Then enable or disable wake sources like tap, keyboard, power button, or network activity. Make sure to test each one. Finally, open advanced settings to set scheduled wake times, proximity sensor rules, and thermal thresholds. Once done, save and run a quick test cycle to verify behavior. To complete the process, apply all changes and reboot if the system requests it. This ensures new standby rules take effect. You should now test common scenarios: docked, pocketed, low battery, and scheduled wake, checking wake reliability and battery impact. If things go wrong, start by reverting to the saved profile or defaults, then disable recently installed apps or permissions that can trigger wakes. If problems persist, reduce enabled wake sources and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.